Hi guys, welcome to my quads and glutes workout. So this exercise, I'm using a resistance band with my own body weight that's really hitting the quads. With my tiptoes on, I'm putting more pressure on my calves and on my core as well, which has helped me keep more balance and focus on the quads. Also using a resistance band and some ankle weights really helps me keep a good balance and put some extra pressure on the body weight as well. Just doing a normal lunge really hits your hammies, your glutes and your quads as well. Using just a normal barbell weight to keep my balance, I'm doing a kickback supersetted with a side kick as well, so that's really helping to hit my hips, my glutes, and it also tones my inner thigh. So using just a barbell, I'm doing some really deep, narrow squats. That's really hitting my front quads. Also, it's hitting my hamstrings as well. So using just a stepper and still my barbell, I'm doing some wide sumo front squats supersetted with a shoulder press as well. So this is a really good full body exercise. So using just my body weight, I'm doing a superset of a knee high and a side kick. This is really helping to tighten your front quads, your side glutes, and also your core as well. And also it's so good for symmetry and balance as well. So with this exercise, I've incorporated a little bit of cardio. So it's a in and out jumping squat. I mean, the key is to get so deep, so it really is hitting your hammies and glutes and toning your quads as well. So with this exercise, I'm using again the barbell and the stepper, and this is really hitting my hammies. So it's more of a Romanian deadlift. So yeah, it's sort of hitting my lower back and my hammies at the same time. So another bodyweight exercise, doing 2 sumo squats alongside with a jumping squat as well. So this is really hitting your glutes, your quads, and your core as well. So yeah, it's a good cardio exercise. So with this exercise, I'm using the barbell. My feet are close together, so I'm doing a narrow squat with my toes pointed outwards. That's really hitting the quad sweep. So yeah, it's putting a lot of pressure on my front quads. So with this exercise, I'm doing a normal lunge into a flying kickback using some small light weights, which has helped to tone my upper body as well. So it's a really good full body exercise.